Alright, so I got this windshield wiper motor off of the other car out there, and I'm going to strip it and repaint it so it looks nice. Alright, so this paint dries pretty quick, so I think it's pretty much dry. We can go ahead and reassemble this thing. So pull all this stuff apart. It's only been like 5 minutes, so it's probably not completely dry, but dry enough for me to put this back together. And time is of the essence. There it is, somewhat in position. Gotta screw it in still, but I think it looks pretty damn nice. What do y'all think? You do gotta screw it in and everything. It looks brand new, doesn't it? Guys, so got some semi-gloss black. I'm gonna paint bolts right here. These are the bolts that hold the wiper motor in, and these are screws that hold the plastic cowl section in. And you know, if you put your car back together and then you got rusty bolts like this, people are gonna see that. They're gonna see those rusty bolts. So it's the little touches that matter, right? So doesn't hurt just to do that to them. Hit them again. There we go. Now they're nice and painted. That way they won't be rusty no more. I need a longer extension for that one. But she's in there. And she's looking beautiful. Except for the tiny little scratch I put on her right there. But whoop-de-doo-dah. Have to keep on moving. Alright. Alright, so now I got to attach that arm. Well, not that arm, but that arm to the motor end right there. So let's get that done. Don't need that in there, but I do need that to like go on there, and it's not wanting to. Huh. think I got it on there. All right, I got that baby on there. So now all we got to do is put the little clip on there and we're good to go. All right, so if you guys don't know, you need a little clip. You need a little clip that looks like this to fit on the end of that rod. And that's like a little retainer clip. It's going to keep that arm from coming off of the motor. So don't forget this. You'll need this. Okay, so now we just got to attach the steering or the wiper motor linkage to the little motor right there. Slide that baby up in there. All right, and then we just got to take this clip. This side goes in first, and this side faces outward, the back of it. So, okay, guys, so there's that clip there. That's how it goes in. And we're all attached. Good to go.